Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report with news that might disappoint some of you. Microsoft might be planning to remove an Essential Taskbar feature. It will no longer be possible to rearrange or drag and drop icons from and to the system tray. I know, this can be upsetting for some of us in here, but this change comes as part of Microsoft's plan to optimize the taskbar better for other devices such as tablets. So that means from the build 22572 it's no longer possible to rearrange or drag and drop icons from the system tray. For those who don't know what the system tray is, well, look at the lower right corner of your desktop. See that small pop-up arrow? Well, if you click on it, you will see that you'll get a small pop-up window that contains apps that run in the background, like Slack for example, Microsoft Teams, or your antivirus. And you might start getting the purpose of this system tray, exactly to reduce clutter on your taskbar and make your managing on the background apps easier. But don't lose all hope, because the system tray isn't going anywhere. It's just the drag and drop of icons that doesn't work anymore. At first, most of us thought it was just a bug from the latest build updates, but then Microsoft stated clearly that drag and drop won't work for a while or maybe even permanently. And that's because the taskbar operation needs to improve on other devices like tablets for example. Thankfully, you have a few options to still deal with the icons in the system tray. You can simply right-click on an empty space on the taskbar and then select the taskbar settings option. This will take you to the taskbar settings in the personalization menu. In here, scroll down until you find and select the other system tray icons option or drop-down menu, and as you can see, from here on you can turn on or off any background apps in the system tray icons, and you can even make the whole thing disappear completely from your taskbar. In a way, this is a great alternative, but nevertheless still disappointing we don't have the drag and drop feature anymore. Another way to solve your system tray icons issue is to decide on what apps should open on startup. So if you right-click the Windows button, then select Task Manager from the context menu, you have another way to disable or enable some of these background apps in the system tray. In here, click on the Startup tab, and as you can see, all the apps that are enabled under Status will show up in this system tray. So if you have any apps that you don't use or that are unnecessary to your PC, just click on them and then select the Disable button. And it will stop showing up in the system tray from the next startup. And that's pretty much the news. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as usual, I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content in the world of tech.